In this video, we're going to share a word about how to migrate Outlook to Lotus Notes with SysTools Outlook to Notes Converter. Let's check out the main features. Migrate Outlook 2021, 2019, 2016, 2013 data to Lotus Notes 10.0, 9.0, and below. Export PST files, emails, contacts, calendars, tasks, journals, and notes to NSF. Convert corrupted, password-protected, batch Outlook PST files to NSF format. Best feature to create separate Lotus Notes NSF files for Outlook PST contacts. Let's start the process. Go to Google and click SysTools Outlook Notes Converter. Then click on the link shown on your device screen. To download the tool, click on the download button. After downloading the tool, then install and run the software. This is an interface of the software. On the right side of the menu, you see the three buttons to import your data and remove your file. Click on the Add File button, then a window open to select your file, and click on the Open button to move forward. Now with Remove button, you able to remove the selected file. Now, click on the Next button, an alert comes up and asks for an advanced scan. Select from the desired options. Moving to the second window, apply filters. In Select Categories, you can select categories for the final step. Moving down in the Date filter, you can select the date filter for the particular field, with From and To choices. Maintain folder hierarchy is by default selected. Make the right mark as per your desire. Follow the same move with the rest of the two options. Excluded deleted items. This option will not export your deleted data. Create separate NSF files for contacts. Exported data will be in certain folder. To save the file, click on the Change button. With this window, select your location and click on the OK button. Now tap on the Export button. Here date to start exporting. Alert come up with migration completed successfully. Click on the OK button. To see the results, click on the destination link. The link will directly drop you to the location. Now you can easily import your data to IBM.
And that's it. Hope you enjoy the video. Log on to the given product page for more details on purchasing the product. For any query, mail us at support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.